Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. We are getting ready to open up our... Where did it go? Oh. Dia box. It's a clothing subscription box, and we'll see what's in there and see what we like, and I'll do some try on for you. So... Normally there's 5 pieces of clothing in here. So, the first thing we have is a dress, which is reversible. We will try it on and give it a whirl, see what it looks like. The next thing we have is a blouse, and it's got a little cami to it. So we'll give that a try and see what we think. Then we have a sweater, gray sweater. And then we got some burgundy jeans. And then we have a little necklace. So we'll try all this on and I'll let you guys see, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we did that try on, and actually the double leaf necklace was knotted, so I couldn't show you that. The gray sweater, the charcoal gray, is $55. I do believe I'm going to keep that. The Natasha clip dot blouse was $69. I'm waffling on that. The reversible dress was $89, and I am going to keep that. And then the skinny jean, the burgundy skinny jeans were $69. I don't think I'm going to keep that, but I'm going to show you some pictures, talk to you about it a little bit, and come back then and tell you what I decided on. Alright everybody, so it looks like I'm going to hang on to the dress, the reversible dress, and the gray sweater. So those two things are $89 and $55. So I'm sorry, 99. No, 89. 89, yes. So 145, 144. Then I get my $20 styling fee back. So for $124 more dollars, I get basically 2 dresses and a sweater. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Love you guys so much. Mwah.